You know, Paul and Lily are two wonderful people. They have this amazing aura. When you first meet them, you know, I mean, you could be in the most chaotic of situations and they bring total peace onto the scene, you know? They are natural healers who are really in it for the true calling of what they're about, which is healing mankind. And I think it's such a beautiful thing. The kinds of problems I was having were mainly problems that go along with not really particularly taking good care of my acts, of my vocal cords. I was going through a really rough times, you know, trying to record, trying to sing live, and if it had not been for the laser, I think there were many times I would not have been able to perform. Or I recall having an infection that had to do with my upper chest and my vocal cords, and the laser did miraculously well for that melody. And getting enough sleep, that was another thing. You know, it's a muscle. You have to rest your vocal cords because it's essentially a muscle. And so I wasn't getting the proper rest. And the laser also assisted me with that. This is my friend. This is my best friend right here, this laser. Paul and Lily, you guys rock. And please kiss Essential for me.